Lay like a that I might stick, that might got style, but it ain't like this. Come on. It ain't like this. Come on. Come on. Swinging like a new gold chain. They might got moves, but I really ain't the same. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look. You set the mood and I set the tempo. What we do next, girl, instrumental. Way that you do it, sure got a hold on me. Your dope is handling so versatile. You captured the vibe, master style. I'm tripping now, you driving me wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me see what you got for me. Feeling free, your destiny. Stay shining, incredible. You're a diamond, forever glow. Hotter than California summer, they might be fire, but it ain't even close. Come on. It ain't even close. Come on. Whoa. Home to the city like thunder. Whole place shaking, it's really quite dope. Come on. It's quite dope. Come on. You dig? You set the mood and I set the tempo. What we do next, girl, instrumental. Way that you do it, sure got a hold on me. Your dope is handling so versatile. You captured the body, master the style. I'm tripping now, you driving me wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me see what you got for me. Feeling free, your destiny. Stay shining, incredible. You're a diamond, forever glow. Stay shining, stay shining, yeah. Lay like a that I might shake, that might got style, but it ain't like this. Come on, stay shining, yeah. You got that forever glow, you're incredible. Let me see what you got for me. Feel free, your destiny. Stay shining, you're forever. You're a diamond, forever. Let me see what you got for me. Feel free, your destiny. Stay shining, you're forever. You're a diamond, forever glow.
Let's learn what you got for me. It's choreographed by Guyton Mundy and Rhoda Lai. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn what you got for me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. You're now going to quickly rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and step your right next to your left. We're going to lunge to the left, stepping our left foot to the left side with a slightly bent knee, and recover back onto your right. We're now going to do an 8th coaster step, making an 8th return over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 1030. Step your right next to your left, step forward with your left, and then step forward with your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a 3/8 fall away. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side. You're going to make an 8th of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to step back with your right, make a 1/4 turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock, and then step your right foot slightly forward. You're now going to step forward with your left. We're going to kick our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step down on your right foot, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step forward with your right. You're now going to kick your left foot into the left diagonal, step down on your left, touch your right toe behind your left, and as you touch, you're going to snap your right hand out to the right side. When you touch behind, you want to make sure that you are facing the 6 o'clock wall. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot facing the 1030 diagonal. You're going to do your 3/8 fall away. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Section 3. You're gonna rock your right foot to the right side. You're gonna recover on your left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder and flicking your right foot back to face 3 o'clock. We're now gonna step forward with our right foot. You're gonna rock forward on your left, and as you rock forward with your left, you're gonna push your hips forward. We're gonna recover back onto our right and push our hips back. You're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Our touch behind and our snap was 1, so your rock to the side will be 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 quarter turning jazz boxes. Now each jazz box does have its own hand/body motion that you're going to do. So for the first jazz box quarter turn, when we cross over, your right hand comes up to your right cheek. When you step back, left cheek. When you make your turn and step with your right, you're gonna have your palm facing down, and then when you step with your left, you're gonna flip your hand over. So we're gonna cross that right over our left, bringing your right hand to your right cheek. You're gonna make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot and putting your left hand up to your left cheek. You're now facing 6 o'clock. You're gonna step your right foot to the right side, putting your hand out, palm facing down, and then you're gonna step your left foot slightly forward, flipping your palm up. Now, when we do our next jazz box quarter turn, you're gonna have shoulder motion. So your hand is gonna stay out like this, and you're gonna rotate, popping your shoulders up. So it's gonna go right up, left down, right down, left up, and then you're gonna do that all the way through until you finish your jazz box. So when we cross over, you're gonna start with your right shoulder up. So it's up, up, and then when you make that quarter turn, you're going to do that again. So you're gonna make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You're gonna have your right shoulder come up, left shoulder come up, step to the side with your right, having your right shoulder come up, left shoulder come up, and then you're gonna slightly step forward, dropping your hand and having your right shoulder, left shoulder. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Remember, it's cheek, cheek, palm down, palm up, and then your shoulders on your second jazz box. So weight is on your left. You're doing your jazz box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, if you leave out the shoulders, the jazz box is full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Adding those shoulders, add those extra syncopated and counts in because you are accounting for that left shoulder coming up. So you want to think every time you're stepping, that right shoulder comes up, and then in between where your next step is, then your left shoulder is going to come up. When we do it, it's going to be nice and quick, and you want to fill that spot between your jazz box steps. Now that is the whole dance, so let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. Walk, walk, side, rock, ball, lunge, recover, 8th, coaster, step, forward. Now you're following. Cross, side 8, back, back, quarter, forward, step, kick, step, lock, step, kick, step, touch, and snap. Rock, quarter, recover, flick, step, rock, forward, recover, coaster, step. Now your jazz box. Cheek, cheek, palm down, palm up, shoulder, 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 shoulder. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start all over again with your walk, walk, ball, rock, recover, side. Now, the final wall is wall 10, so you'll be dancing a side wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts on your final jazz box, and all we're going to do to end facing 12 o'clock is cross your right over your left and unwind a half turn over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and you can pose or do whatever you want. Now that unwind is going to come slightly at the end of the music, so part of it will be without music. You just want to make sure that you're facing the front when the music is all done. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, side, rock, recover, ball, lunge, recover, 8, coaster, step, step, cross, side, 8, back, back, quarter, forward. Now your step, kick, step, lock, step, kick, step, touch, and snap. Rock, quarter, recover, flick, step, rock, forward, recover, coaster, step. Now your jazz box with your hand motion and your jazz box with your shoulders. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Walk, walk, side, rock, recover, ball, lunge, recover, 8, coaster, step, step, cross, side, 8, back, back, quarter, forward, step, kick, step, lock, step, kick, step, touch, and snap. Rock, quarter, recover, flick, step. Now rock, recover, and your coaster step, your jazz box with your hands, and your jazz box with your shoulders. Start over. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to keep on going until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn what you got for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.